Morning, guys. I've got a bit of an issue with my motorcycle here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. My Honda CB500X, I got these cool saddlebags for it, but on the right side, this one sits just over the exhaust. I've tried pulling it up. I've tried putting some of this aluminum tape on it, but it keeps peeling off even though I use some of the heat resistant glue. So I'm going to try to fix that, do something else with it. I've considered getting some like formal panniers for it, but they stick out pretty far and it's not really what I want for this bike. So I've come up with a solution that might be creative or might be really dumb. I guess we're going to find out. This is a silicone heat resistant like a hot pad, and I've got some stuff to I'm going to put some brackets on each corner and hopefully attach it to the bottom of the bag to protect it from the heat. We'll see how it goes. Okay, here it is. I attached these little brackets to give me something to grip this thing on, and now I'm going to try to attach it underneath here. Okay, and there it is. I use these ties. They're like metal silicone ties on the sides. We might get something a little better looking, but it's connected on there in the front and the back. Think this will work. I might need to put one over here to pull it back a little bit more, but overall, this silicone is supposed to be able to withstand like 600 degrees, so should be able to redirect the airflow and protect the bike. We will see how it goes. Hopefully this is a solution that'll work. Hey guys, it's been a couple weeks since I installed my plan here. You can see some black marks on the silicone from using. I've ridden it actually a few hundred miles. I've had a couple of long rides, and it honestly is holding up wonderful. I love it. Might not be the prettiest thing out there, but it seems to do exactly what I needed. It protects my Wild Heart soft panniers from the effects of the exhaust, and I don't have to get like a framework pannier rack or something to hold that higher or out farther. So for me it works. Maybe this will be useful for some of you. I will put down in the description the information about the hardware and stuff that I used to create this solution that worked for me.